Hello guys, welcome to Raza Learning Hub. In this video we can find the value of these fraction. So if you are a genius, then stop the video and before watching the video comment of this question. But if you are student and you have not idea about this type of questions, so I can solve these questions step by step. So if you are new in my channel, then kindly subscribe my channel for more videos. So firstly guys, this expression I can write here is parentheses minus 3 plus 3 times 4 close parentheses divided by 3. Okay, now in next step, parentheses have higher priority than other operation, so in parentheses multiplication have higher priority than addition and subtraction. So firstly I can solve multiplication. So 3 times 4, which is equal to 12, divided by 3. Now again minus 3 plus 12 guys equal to 9. So 9 divided by 3, which is finally equal to 3. Guys, this is the final answer of this expression. If anywhere you can face any issue, then comment. I will reply your question, and kindly subscribe my channel for more videos.